On Sunday, sa takbo ng serye, walang assurance na kahit lumama ka ng malaki sa first quarter, sigurado kayo. So we will try to make sure na tapusin yung PNP.
We should be motivated with that, that opportunity. But it's not that easy because their back is against the wall na naman, just like what happened in last game. So I'm expecting a different ball game from them, and it's up to us how to realize the situation is so that because everybody wants to finish this but there's no assurance basta gagawin namin we have to keep on working hard and try to know and realize what's really happening in the game dahil alam naman natin this is a game of adjustment
If ever.
Oo, nagsisimula pa lang kami. Pinupulikat na nga eh. Sabi ko natapilok na nga tayo nung game 2. Sabi ko lang din sa mga PT namin, basta nakakabit pa, nakakatakbo pa ang laban na. Oo, hanggat hindi pa tapos, kunin namin, sayang yung pambili ka na mo.